Hello, in this video, I'm continuing a discussion of how to write better YouTube video descriptions. Join me. Hello, welcome to Take a Step A Better You. On this channel, I share what I know and continue to learn. And I share business tips, YouTube tips, earning money online tips, and sometimes I just record motivational messages to encourage you to take a step, make your life better. If you are new, welcome, and please consider subscribing if that sounds interesting. And if you've been here before, appreciate you very much too. Thank you. And hopefully you already subscribed and you clicked on that bell so you get to know when I have new videos. Here I record videos daily, but for this one, the daily ones normally I review books, business books, good books. But for this normal regular schedule, I record videos Thursdays and Sundays. On Thursdays, this is the Sunday is a Thursday video. Those are YouTube tips, business tips. And then on Sundays I have motivational ones. I also do YouTube lives on Fridays, 1 p.m. USA Eastern Time and 12:30 p.m. USA Eastern Time. That's for the YouTube tips on Thursdays, business tips, and also for motivationals on Sunday. Now, today, this is a continuation of, this is video number 2. I recorded video number 1 where I had this. I explained everything. I'll put a link in the description and also in a pinned comment for video number 1. That's when I explained everything I have here. And I promised that video that the next one I'll show you how to set up your description good or better in YouTube and also YouTube Studio, and also make sure that all these items are included. Okay, so today I'm not going to be here much. I'm going to be on my computer and I'm going to show you how you set this up and how people see it, what you're setting up and how it's shown. I have a few tips in there for those who are interested in making your videos seen. Remember, the whole goal is to make sure YouTube shows people our videos. And so I'll go to the computer, and please, I'm not coming back here. So when I go to the computer, I'm going to show you everything, and I also say bye-bye to you while on the computer. I'm not coming back here. So stick around. Let me show you how to write. By the way, I'm learning too. I'm not an expert. So I haven't even improved many of my descriptions, but at least now I know what to do. When I find the time, I keep changing them slowly by slowly. But I set up one which I want to show you right now. And remember, I'm not coming back here, so please subscribe, leave a comment after watching me. And now I'm stepping on the computer to show you. Thank you for watching. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to set up the description and make sure all those items on the board are included, because many times we don't include all of them, including me. I'm learning, and I think I have like 1 or 2 videos that have properly set up with all this stuff. So we are going to see how we use the keywords, how we use timestamps, how we use the links, how we add in links, the FTC disclaimer, and also the hashtags. And you're going to start, or I start right here on my home screen at the home page for the channel, and then you click on manage videos. I already opened up some tabs just because my computer tends to be slow. Soon I'll figure this out. I'll switch to a different computer, but for now I open them up to make things faster. So you manage videos to get into editing the video. But before, so when you click here, it will take you in the video and you choose the video you want to edit. But I want also to show you the video that I'm going to choose. I'm going to show you what it looks like on the outside for someone on your channel. So it's already, I selected it right here. If someone come to watch my video, this video, they'll be like right here, and they can see the title and the hashtags, and right here always says, see, I was emphasizing that you make sure people can see, in fact the algorithm too,
it can see the keywords, the important keywords. Like right here, when we go inside, I'll show you. Make money online is a keyword. And then, of course, motivational video, because this is the motivational video. That's also a different kind of keyword. Although I can call it all together. Make money online motivational video. It can be keyword or hash or tag. And then this is another earn passive income online 2021. That's earn passive income is a tag or keyword. Then the whole line can be a keyword. I talked about all these when I was talking about titles. So these two lines, by the way, the desktop people, the laptop people can see these. I think the cell phone people may not see these lines. In this video, I'm talking about the importance of having passive income. Passive income is a keyword, see, it's showing up. And then multiple sources of income is one of my keywords for this video, or my tag. I keep using tag and keyword interchangeably. And then I'm asking you to come learn how to earn money online. See, earn money online is up here, and we all know the importance of having multiple sources of income. The purpose of having them so close up here is for the algorithm. Even the person reading can see what the video is about. So I want to show you what people see, but we're going to see how it's set up inside. And when they click on show more, that's when you see everything. This is the outside. This is what people see. So this is what you're going to set up, or I'm going to show you how I set it up. Remember, I mentioned somewhere when I was explaining that avoid, see this link here, this one, if my goal was to send people to click and go, I would put it right on top, in the top line. But it's not good for algorithm, because I'm not having the keywords to place this video the right way. So it's best to avoid having it on top. But if my intention with this video was for people to click, I could move this whole thing up here to be the beginning, asking them to click. And then this is the timestamp right here. When people come and click right here, if they click on 30.22, they'll go to where I'm talking about if you want to be on YouTube in the video, because this is a long video. It's 36 minutes. So this is help them figure out where they want to go. If they want to see the Partner with Anthony program, I'm talking about it at 2039. So they'll just click here. So how do we set these up? These are great, especially if you have a video that long like mine. And then the links, I'm going to show you inside what they look like, but this is on the outside. That's how people see them. Like the link to my social media, the ones for YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, right here. People click and go. And then FTC disclaimer is right here. And then these hashtags. Now, something important about the hashtags that I need to mention right now, because I just figured it out today as I was about to record this video. These hashtags, they always come at the bottom of the description, always. They have to be the ending line. And if you don't do that, you won't see them up here. They come and show up on top of the video, right here. But if you don't put them at the bottom, they will not show up. And something I just discovered today, they have something new, something in YouTube. When you are setting up your video to upload it, to publish it, there's somewhere where they ask you where the video is located, or where you are located. So I've been recently choosing USA, not knowing that I was losing the hashtags. So you can either choose to show your location or to show the hashtag. Let me show you what my recent videos have been looking like. The ones I've been recording about books, the lessons, they were not showing hashtags, and I just figured that out today. Look what they look like. So see right here, instead of showing the hashtags, which I would have preferred, they're showing USA, United States. And I see many videos where people put location. They don't know that they're actually losing the hashtags. So that's very important. You want to be ranked by the country, that's more important, or the hashtags. So when I finish filming this, I'm going to go back and change this. So if you choose not to show location, then you're going to, the hashtag will show up here. Then it won't be USA to be the hashtag which I care more about. But then you choose none. When they ask location where the video is being recorded, you choose none. I'm not going to show a screen of that, but when you're setting up your video, make sure if you want hashtags to show, please leave the country blank. Choose none, or you lose it. Okay, now we are going to the video. We said how we set it up, the description. Remember, I have two videos when I was discussing titles. So titles always, this video is not about titles, it's about descriptions, but it's the description. From my research, they say repeat something about the title, those two lines. So for me, what I do, I go into the hashtags or the tags down here, and I choose some of them to be my hashtags, the line I've been showing you right here. Hopefully this computer is going to allow me to move fast enough to show you where the hashtags are. Let's get the hashtags out of the way because I already talked about the topic. See right here, this is the ending of this description, but the description has up to 5,000 characters, so I'm using just 2,700. You can put a lot of stuff here, important stuff, especially as if you are an affiliate marketer. So many links and a lot you can do with the description. I used just like a little bit over half. So, but they say the minimum should be at least 250 characters here. See these hashtags? They are the ones showing up below the video, what I just showed you. And they say maximum 3. Maximum 3. Even if you put too many, YouTube will only show 3 because they have to put to fit on that first line. So putting so many, I don't know if it helps, but they show only 3. So I think I've finished the hashtag part, that you put them at the bottom, and also make sure you are choosing only 3, but you are choosing them from these, some of these here, some of your tags. And also some of these tags are the ones you use in the title and also in the description. So I mean, when you're describing the video. So let's go to that. Using some of those tags to describe the video, I'm going to be pointing out which one is a tag here. I use them in the title. I'm also repeating in the description. So make money online, that one is one of the tags I have down. And passive income. So I say make money online, motivational videos, how I name it, and earn passive income online 2021. In fact, this whole line is, this whole sentence is a tag if you check it down, but I don't want to like keep going up and down. I'll just continue here. So in this video, I'm talking about the importance of having passive income. Remember, we said use the tags, but use them like sentences. The importance of having passive income, that's a tag, and multiple sources of income, that's another tag. I'm asking you to come learn how to earn money online. This one is a tag. Learn how to earn money online. We all know the importance of having multiple sources of income. Again, it's easier now to earn money online. Earn money online is another tag through affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is another tag. So that's what you mean, that you can use the tags in sentences, but the reason you are doing this is to attract the algorithm, to show the algorithm where to place your video. That's the purpose of that. So you can continue writing and using those tags. Now the next item here I want to show the timestamps. I showed you what they look like on the outside, but this is how you set them up. They say always start with 00. I tried testing without the 00. They still linked, but they said 00 is a sign to the algorithm that these are timestamps. So they say always start with 00. Then you have to go into the video and know where all this is. Like if you want to be on YouTube, remember what I showed you? That's how you set it up. You have to find where the minutes are, and then By the way, people set up their description in fancy ways. You go find out. People put so much. They line them up really nice. For me, this is something I just set up to shoot this video, to share this screen really quickly. But you can make it look really nice. So the links, subscribe to my channel for weekly videos. You know, when you are putting these links here, they don't show. You just put them, but when you save, then they become links, like outside how I showed you. So all these, you link, watch the most popular video. I'm linking the most popular video. Watch all motivational videos, because this one is the motivational one. I'm linking to all the motivational ones. And watch affiliate marketing videos, because I'm talking about affiliate marketing in this video. And then I also link to my website. But you could link to so many things. Whatever I want them to do, this is the area you put it. You put the link. And then social media. See, here I said connect with me on social media. Then I put the link to YouTube, the link to Facebook, Instagram, all that, Twitter. And then I continued down. I put the FTC, because I have a link up there that's the Partner with Anthony program is actually an affiliate program. So by law, you're supposed to mention that. This is how I worded it, but there is actually the right way to word it according to FTC, the legal way to do it. But as long as you mention that this is what I said. Some of the links on this page may be affiliate links, which means if you pay for something, I'll receive a small commission. But please note that this does not make the price you pay higher. You are just supporting this channel if you choose to pay for anything using my link. This is my language. But when you check other channels, you see they have a different language. But if you are doing anything, you are sending people to something, you're selling or you're earning money, you have to have that disclaimer. And at the very bottom, when you have done with everything, always put the hashtags. And remember, the way you write the hashtags, you have to use the capital letters in between, like make money online motivational video. The beginning word is always a capital word. But if you are comparing with the tags are always small letters. Always small. You don't put capital letters in tags. That's not outside of this lesson. This is just tags. We're talking description today, but that's something I mentioned. So that's how you set it up, and I already discussed why we set this up, the importance, and what else do I need to mention? I think I mentioned everything that is important with description. You can add as much as you want, but just know where to put it, and especially having the key tags mentioned in the top. That's so important. That's how your video is going to be ranked. This part here, spend more time right here, make it longer, right, but always incorporate the keywords, the tags. And this timestamp, for me, I would say a video needs to be longer, maybe like more than 5 minutes that you need timestamps. That's just my opinion. If someone should be able to watch your video those minutes, but if they have to skip, then put that for them. I already gave you the terms for using in my previous video. I explained more about the timestamps. Okay, that's the part for this description. Hopefully that helps. And I think I'm not coming back. I'll just close this video right here. Like I always end them. Take very good care of yourself. Take very good care of your family. Take very good care of your health. Take a step to a better you. Please leave a comment. Please study your descriptions and make these changes. Like, comment, share. Bye-bye.